If you're building or renovating, what do you select first? Countertop or floor and cabinetry? In this video, I'm going to teach you where to start, what to look for, and tips along the way to help you feel less stressed and make it more enjoyable from an interior designer. I'm going to give you some inside scoops. As a designer, I can tell you so many of my clients struggle with this when we get to the selection phase of the design process, and they feel very overwhelmed and they don't know where to start. And this is actually a really common place where people go wrong, which creates a ripple effect down your entire design process, meaning that you're compensating for a mistake early on. The number one place I start before I look at any other finish is the primary flooring. Why is that? Why would I select my primary flooring first before anything else in the entire home? Well, your primary flooring is the largest finish in your entire home. You need to love it. And you also have to make sure that flooring fits the needs of you and your family. You need to invest in it. This is the biggest, most critical first step you can make for your entire home. Next up, if I'm incorporating any stained cabinetry throughout an entire home design, I always make sure I go from flooring to stained cabinetry. Why is that? My general practice is to take a tone from the floor and incorporate it into the cabinetry. It is far easier to go from flooring to cabinetry than land on a cabinet color and try to find a flooring that will complement it. Also, your flooring is the largest finish in your entire home. It is everywhere. You want to make sure you love your flooring and use cabinetry to complement that flooring. If you are not doing any stained cabinetry for, say, budget reasons or even aesthetics, what would you move on to? If you're not doing stained cabinetry, I would skip cabinetry after you've selected your flooring and move on to countertop. The reason I move on to countertops if I'm not doing a stained cabinet is because cabinetry should highlight your countertop, meaning any painted cabinet, I take tones from my countertop and incorporate them into the cabinets. This specifically relates to kitchens. If you are thinking bathrooms, I usually start with tile both on the wall and floor before I even think about my vanity and countertop. Now, there are times I don't make selections in that order. Sometimes my clients want a very specific and feature item or finish in their space, so I make sure any other selections around that makes that feature item look even better. So there are times that I don't do it in that order, but in my experience for my clients, I find that approach to be the least stressful way to approach selection, so you don't feel as overwhelmed as quickly. If you are feeling lost or overwhelmed in your own project and don't even know where to start, or you feel like you have made a mistake and need reassurance or confirmation you are on the right path, I offer a coffee chat service, which is a virtual design consultation. We get on video just like this, one-on-one. You can show me your space, show me your plans, and we can talk through it. And I can give you a lot of really fantastic guidance to make sure your project comes out exactly what you have been dreaming of and envisioning. If you like the information in this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video. If you want more information about the services that we offer, you can look in the description below. I would be happy to connect and work with you, and I hope this helps you with the selections of your new build or renovation. It can be a very overwhelming process for a lot of people, and it's what I do best is to help you.